Now look at all these motherfuckers out on Pride Ride. Lot of livestock, think it's cause Sarabi ride car, cause she did once, cause they celebrated Simba, Lil Cup, everybody got a kneel, cause deal was Lions was some motherfucking real thugs, and the fear of being turned into a meal was such a fright, yo. But on the real they hella nice though. This specific pack of lions acting like some white folks, but Africa is full of brothers, one is Uncle Scar, and that motherfucker wasn't nothing funny, Sonny Hard, and he mad too, cause he just wanna be the man too. First it was his brother, now another king is brand new. Baboon drawing on the tree, you dig? There's something freaky about Rafiki, bet his weed legit. That motherfucking monkey doesn't need comedians. The reason is he laughing at the breeze and shit, it's weird. Alright, now back to the plot. Mufasa was a wonderful father, he loved him a lot, and Simba wanted to impress him every second he got. The youngin' was taught, but then one afternoon he forgot. That's when he hollered at Nala to follow the baller, to crawl up in the squalor where all of the lawless acknowledge his father, but they never gave a fuck about a little bitty pup. Aw shucks, they gon' eat this motherfucker up until his dad came through and smacked them bitches in the head. Coulda had him dead, but he let him run away.